happy Gobble Gobble Day, happy Thanksgiving. We're gonna go to the Turkey Bowl. It is the Free Agents versus Disney and SeaWorld. So come and join us today, okay, and check it out.
I'm thankful for these brand new cleats right here, boy.
I'm thankful for everybody, all the friends and the peoples. Yeah.
Well, I'm very thankful for Head and Shoulders.
For your hair.
Head and Shoulders, you know, I use Head and Shoulders, and
Thankful for everybody, family and friends, bro.
Thankful to be here right now with friends and play some flag football.
The many blessings around the world, you know. Umi, I'm glad you asked me that question because as a band member at Disney World, you know, it's been a beautiful opportunity to be one of the band members. I just want to thank everybody, you know, for being here, and thank the Lord above, you know, and thank you for my Levi company. If it wasn't for Levi, I wouldn't be here. Peace out.
I'm thankful for everybody.
For everything, for my many blessings.
Amen.
I don't know. I just
thankful for family and family away from home.
you want to talk to
That
him.
means you.
I'm thankful for a lot of things. Why you stop?
My parents and my family.
Alright. Today I'm thankful that we all come together as family and friends and, you know, celebrate the day of the turkey. Amen, brother. Amen. Alright.
Everything. Thankful for all the polys that come out here and play.
Thank you.
Myself.
Thankful for family, bro. And we're all away from home, so keep it together.
Alright.
Oh, you and me.
Thankful for the food I'm about to eat today. Thankful for everybody being here. Love everybody. My life.
My family.
So sweet.
Everything. Life. Family.
Alright, brother.
Oh, I'm thankful for all my boys. All 4 of them. Yay!
I am thankful for everything.
The moment you know.